Reasons why we traders lose money or blow our account has nothing to do with the strategy we use, but it has everything to do with how we think. Having a successful trading is not about making logical decisions, but it's about logical reasoning. So, to be a better trader, you must learn to think logically and not emotionally. Logical reasoning um, simply means making decision based on fact, based on the fact you can see on the market chart and not your feeling, not how you feel at that time. That is logical reasoning. It's just about making decision that this is what I see on the chart. This is why I enter the chart before I jump in. So that is logical reasoning. Now, when you open a chart, you ask yourself, what is the trend saying? Is the trend going to the upside, or is it going to the downside, or is it going sideways? What is price telling me? You ask yourself that. And if you want to take the trade, ask yourself, is there confirmation for me to take this trade, for me to enter the buy or sell? You know, is there setup that match with my trading plan? These are logical reasoning. These are facts before you enter the trade. These are what you see. These are what you ask yourself before you enter the trade. So traders shouldn't trade because they feel price will go to the upside or they feel price will go to the downside. So we trade because the evidence we see on the chart supports our decision. Take for instance, the Euro USD is moving to the upside and you have missed the breakout. Price has also moved 100 pips away. Now the emotional side in you will tell you that enter the trade for the buy, chase the move. And also the logical side will tell you to hold on. Price has already moved away from you. Hold on, do not chase the move. Let it retrace back so that you can have a better entry. That is the logical side of you. The emotion side will tell you enter the market immediately, chase the move and take something. But the logical side will tell you hold on. As you can see, price has already moved away. So just hold on, let it come back to a better entry position. Let it retrace before you take the move. So that is the different side between logical and emotion. So now, before we take the trade, we should always ask ourselves, why do I want to enter this market? Why do I want to take this trade? Where do I want to put my stop loss? Where do I want to put my take profit? Is there confirmation? What is the confirmation for me to enter this market? So if we are unable to answer this question, we shouldn't take the trade. So we should only trade based on the reason we have and not hope. Okay, we should trade based on the reason, based on this is what I am going in. I am going in the market for, not hope that let me just enter. I hope price will go to the upside. Sometimes hope works, but most of the time hope fails. Hope will just only spoil your mind. Hope will tell you hold on to go. Why your account will get blown. That is what hope will do for you. So it is better we enter based on reason we can see and not letting hope make the decision for us. So in conclusion, the market reward traders that think clearly under pressure. So do not let fear and greed makes the decision for you, because if you learn because if you let greed and fear make decision for you, you have already lost. But let logic take every decision you make. In trading, emotions comes and go. Emotion does not last. It comes and go from time to time. But let logical reasoning keep you consistent in the market. So if you found this valuable, hit on that follow button right there.